Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. It's on to the bathroom yet again. Let's go and check out what's happened. Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Time to renovate the bathroom. Let's get into it. Tomorrow, the sink is very white, so we've left the colour behind the sink and also behind the toilet. Well, here we go. So we've finished the windows here. They're looking pretty good. A little bit of water there, but nothing major. We've got to put some fittings up here, one on the other side, another window over here as well. Got to do the same over here. Chuck that in there, chuck that over there, get rid of the tape, clean it all up, it'll look nice. And because we're getting a wooden floor fitted, I've had to take the skirting off down here and I've plastered it up. It's a pretty rough job, so we're going to go and get rid of some of this plaster right now. In fact, we'll tidy it up and it will need another paint over that plaster. The flooring guy comes in tomorrow, that'll be awesome. So we're just got to tidy this up as best we can, give it a sand, give it an undercoat, and if we've got time we'll put some top coats on. We'll see how it goes, and then tomorrow rip the rest of this lino up. We're going to have to repaint behind that, pull the sink out, make sure the water's turned off. I've already tested the water being turned off outside and there's no water coming in, which is great. There is at the moment because someone's using the laundry, but however. Anyway, that's going to have to be repainted behind there, so we'll have to figure that out. And the same with this. Down here, this little thing here is going to have to be replaced here. This little, it's called a cock. And maybe that's around there, but we'll need the plumber to go and have a quick look because I'm not sure what sort of toilet we can get. I don't know if we can get one that goes flush with the roof or not. With the wall. I don't think we can at this stage, but we'll see what he says when he turns up, hopefully tomorrow. And this toilet will be dust. So let's get on to a bit of sanding. First up, we're just going to use this scraper blade. We're just going to get rid of the rough edges on here. No point sanding those off if they don't need to come off. This doesn't have to go down all the way because we've got the skirting board to replace it. But we are going to have to tidy up the skirting board and fix it up. Okay, so the worst of it's been scraped off and now it's time to actually get the sander out. This thing here, electric, nice, and just get to work. Okie dokie, all the lino's been pulled up. There might be an issue with this because this is all damp down in here, so it might need to be replaced. But we'll see what happens. I've got this piece over here which is coming out, needs a needs a good clean, but yeah, so we're getting a couple of boards here by this window here, and that will be all capped off and looking great. Here's the state of play. So down here, that edging has been taken off. All the tacks and stuff have been taken out of the floor. There is a bit of a hole here. So this wet floor is going to be replaced, this piece of flooring here. And yeah, and the sink, all that needs to be painted, cleaned up and painted. That'll happen over the next couple of days. So it's Monday today. Wednesday is basically, the thing will be completed on Wednesday. One way, shape or form. So still a bit of work to do with the plastering down in the corner there. Bit more paint, there'll be need some more paint along the bottom of the skirting here where I plastered. Still needs a bit of a tidy up. And then if we come out into the lounge here, so we've got very filthy skirting board down there. All this is going to need a good clean, so there's some stuff to go on that edging of the carpet there, which the guys have just gone to get, and that'll be put in today. And then this bit of flooring will be complete. Right, we're on to the final phase. Time to turn the water off. The guys are coming tomorrow, and we've got to get this finished. We've got some painting to do. We've got undercoat. We've got a couple of top coats on some bits that have been left. So let's get into it. There's no time to waste. Right, first up, we need to go and get this. This is the Toby. This is the main water to the house. We're going to have to turn this off. Get rid of this leaf. Right, here we go. Here's an update. So, bottom of these walls have been painted. It's not perfect, but it's going to have to do for now. Toilet is still, yeah, it's going today, so it'll be awesome. And the rest of the flooring will get finished. We've painted behind here as much as we can. It's a bit awkward, it's not perfect. Still a little bit of green down there, but it is what it is. I'll trim out the bits that, I won't put your face in it.
You're right. Might affect the video if we put our faces in it.
It's probably going to get 50 views.
Yeah.
Which will be one of my best ones.
Yeah, nice.
And here we go. So it's almost finished. A little bit of cleaning to do. Clean the ceiling up there, take the tape off, put the handles up on the windows there. Toilet's in, looking great. Not too far to go. Total cost, maybe, anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000. I don't know, I haven't worked it out yet. But definitely worth doing. Got a nice new floor, everything's clean, and a nice new toilet. Catch you in the next one.